Welcome back to the Pigatt family. Today we are going to be making a fake big cookie. So a fake chocolate chip with marshmallow cookies, M&M cookies, I guess. Anyways, so how do you do that? So these are some of the supplies you're going to need. You're going to need some cotton. You're going to need Dollar Tree. You see the Dollar Tree ball and a cube. You can go Dollar Tree, you can get these balls and cubes. So then you're gonna need to cut them in half. So cutting them in half. You're gonna make several of them. You're gonna use the paint color orange and yellow. You're gonna paint some yellow, and you're gonna paint some orange. And then you're gonna cut those cubes like I said, and then you're going to need to paint them. So as you start painting them, I'm just trying to show you the shape of what you should cut them as. So you're gonna just need to make sure it looks like almost like a chocolate shape. You're gonna then start painting it with I use a dark color paint. You're gonna paint it as you can see. I already had painted some with Amanda. Me and Amanda both was painting them. I think you should use gloves because when we did it, our hands were so dirty, but we did the best we could. But anyways, you're gonna need to use gloves. You might want to use a background. I use a plastic bags. It helped so the paint don't get everywhere. We weren't perfect at this, but we tried. So then after that, you're gonna need to cut it in several pieces to make it look like a chocolate. Okay, so you're gonna cut them in like corners of basically two, and then you're gonna make another straight one in a line, as you can see here. You just want to make it look like a chocolate. So you're trying to make a chocolate chip marshmallow M&M cookie. So you see how it looks? That's how it looked now. So me and Amanda was about to get started, but we realized we was missing some supplies. But you want to make sure you cut out a shape. You can use a box, a box, and cut it out as a circle. Make sure you have all these supplies, the craps and grabs, the cotton balls looking like marshmallows. Have your chocolate, everything's there. And so that way when you get ready to spray it down, everything is set. So now you're gonna start spraying. Amanda started spraying. As you can see, we just went around and we were trying to fill up all the spaces. You want to make sure you fill up all the spaces and cover everything up. Like I said, we weren't perfect at this. We were learning too. But we wanted to make sure we do it, but we want to show other people how to do it. This was we decided to do a cookie because we're doing a photo shoot. And so, yeah. So as you can see now, you want to space out the M&Ms, color shaped circles, like in different spots, because you want to make sure it look like an M&M cookie. At the end, you're going to cut out like a piece of letter M, and you're going to put it, once everything is dry, on top of the color circles as you can see. Also, recommendation, definitely use gloves when you're dealing with the grabs and craps. It was so hard to get off our hands. We learned. Next time we know better. Next time we'll do more different cookies. But this was a cool arts. As you can see, you want to do it. You want to push it. You want to make sure you put them in as it's trying to dry. But don't wait too long, because then it won't stick. As you can see, my hands is dirty with the caps and craps. But it's okay. It don't really, and it gets really sticky. So then you add in the chocolate. So now you're gonna wait for a little bit. Don't let it dry totally. You want to make sure it's like good enough, and then you're gonna start painting. We grab a paint from Dollar Tree as well. They had some like chocolate paint, a brownish paint, not chocolate. It'll be brownish paint. And so we mixed that with a little bit of water. Some spots we added more darkness, but I'll show you how the end of how the cookie looks, and then you can go from there. But the cookie started shaping out just the way we wanted it to shape out. It was really nice. And I'm gonna show you some pictures after we after you see us finish this off, and I'll show you how it came out. Thanks for watching. Here are some pictures, and this is how it came out. And you tell me what you think. Comment down below if you like us to do some more cookies, if you like us to do a different kind of cookie, Reese's cookie. If you like what we did, just make sure you cover your area. Make sure you wear gloves when you're doing this project. We learned. We got to live and learn. We learned from this. And we also did a popcorn for our photo shoot, for our Christmas photo shoot. But you can do the popcorn or cookie setup for whenever you're doing a party or a popcorn movie night. You can do these kind of crafts to make, nice, make something nice of your home. So I'm going to show you the pictures how I came out with the popcorn, and we'll do a video. So thanks for watching the Pigatt family. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and Sarah, what?
Hit that bell!